I don't give a shit about the Xbox game bar. It obviously didn't work. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah, you think that's gonna change the fact that my system doesn't meet the requirements? Maybe you shouldn't talk shit, or else you'll get hit. Did you accept my party invite? No, I'm really... The party was disbanded. I invited you, you left. You have tism, no? Anyway, lovely viewers, this is my retarded friend Noel. He is our homie with the extra chromie. Oh, my FPS! Okay, yeah, my FPS took a hit, for sure. I'm running a cool 60. I can record one Bedwars game at a time. If you're good. I miss Bedbridge God. Oh, Green's gone. We can go to their base to get resources. Fuck, I made it. Oh, yeah. No, I'm gonna become the next Technoblade. I'm having a shit ton of lag spikes. Why does the bed have literally nothing on it? You don't know? Really? Good. I bought a metric shit ton of endstone and now I have too much. I'll make a platform above the bed with wood and endstone. Anti-TNT platform. Pussy poppers. Nick and the Pussy Musketeers. Cause like, you know, every YouTuber has a name, like Markiplier, Sunday, Log.zip, that's obviously not their real name. PewDiePie's name is fucking Felix Kjellberg. Creamberg. I think I'm going a bit too hard on the defense. It's fine though. Then why would I go? Because he's just gonna kill me over and over again. Well, I need to get some resources and put it in my end chest. Get sharpness. I said get it. Shrapnel. Do you have armor? Well, come over here. Yep. Go get some extra from your end chest. Oh, let me get a gap. I should be ready now. You legit froze in midair and then like teleported 15 blocks. He was killed by Elite Pepper. Ooh! Oh, one of the yellow guys died. He's coming back. I'm fireballing their bed. Wait, they're both there? Oh, their bed's completely open! No, I'm coming. No! Someone knocked me! Dude! Why? Dude, yellow killed him. He should have let me get the bed. Why didn't he? Oh, now, oh. Let's go fuck him in the ass. Oh. Dude, Gray team is the only one left. We need to start focusing on endgame. Go to mid! Gray's gonna probably kill yellow. Cause, I mean... Cause we're not. Oh, I'm not. Oh, Gray's coming! Oh my god. It's fine, it doesn't matter at this point. Did you seriously just get shitted on? I mean, he shitted on me too, but it's fine.